Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EURUSD. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome everybody, guys. Let's take a look on the euro currency. This is the last summer session, and euro currency still calling below the major resistance area that we have specified a couple of days ago. So it's our major area that we are watching for, because somewhere around it we expect starting of the moderate retracement down, and because we still think that we could get the kind of the hand shoulders pattern here. And our culmination moment will be appearing the forming of the right arm of this pattern. That's potentially should be good area for taking the long position, because potentially these hand shoulders could lead market back to the 120, 121 area, as we have suggested a couple of months ago when we have talked about the monthly chart, weekly chart analysis in our weekly reports. So that was actually the background for a possible bounce. There's no big change since yesterday, so you can see market stands in a tight range consolidation right below the level. This is potentially could be treated as the bullish sign, because when the market reverses down, it usually happens very fast. But when the market starts coiling around and just below the important resistance without showing some significant pullback, it means that market is building energy for a breakout. And that particular action we see right now. On the 4-hour time frame chart, there's also no big changes. Market complete right now totally the double harmonic swing retracement, the same as here. So yesterday it was not quite reached this area, but right now, as you can see, this lows totally corresponds, matches to this bottom of this harmonic swing. And still, as I said, take a look at mostly price action stands right above nearest fib support. So market hasn't shown even drop somewhere to the major fib support, to the 3/3% of the whole upward thrusting action. It's 1567, but it stands right at the nearest fib support from this low to this top, just the 30% retracement right here. It's show reaction on the COP target that has been met recently, and take a look weekly period resistance one. But again, as I said, since we see the minor pullback, it mostly stands in favor of the bulls rather than bears. Speaking about the particular pattern, so actually on the hourly chart we have the same consolidation that we have talked about recently. Yesterday our suggestion was that market really could proceed higher right from this point, but as you can see, this hasn't happened, and market still stands inside of this flag consolidation still. So no breakout has followed yet. But here we see some similar action compared to this previous pennant pattern that has been formed here. Inside of the flag we have the ABCD pattern that's rather harmonic, and in general, while market stands inside of this area, it keeps chance on the further upward continuation. So that's why currently I don't see much to do on the euro currency. So because breaking it down of this area will suggest that we could get the retracement at 115, and finally we could get our bottom of the right shoulder on the daily chart. Upward breakout of these patterns will be the sign that market is ready to go higher, and according to our previous analysis, so you can see this OP target stands, as we said, at 1850. So that's probably will be next destination point. But currently, as I said, this price action mostly looks like the consolidation before breakout. So since for the daily traders there's no big difference, they still will be watching for 115 area, 115.50. So it's not really big sense where market will turn down and from which point this will start. The one thing that we need to get is just a retracement down. And we don't care much from which level it will start. From that standpoint, the situation for the daily traders is a bit more easy than for intraday traders. For the intraday traders, you could try to catch them precise patterns, clear patterns on your back. For example, right here we see the forming is got the steeple to sell, you could try to make this scalp short. This market will move down, move up to the break even. If you would like to go short and you think that market will break flag down. If you'd like to go long and think that market will continue move higher, actually we have already kind of the got stipple to buy. So as you can see, upward action, ABC retracement. In this case, you need to take the position as closer to this lower border as possible. So placing stops below the border of the flag. This is classical approach for trading the flag, pin, and patterns. But this is a bit tricky moment because the situation is not really very bright and we don't have some really superb patterns. So something is forming. Yes, you could try to trade it, but current situation is not really very kinetic. So yes, you could find something for trading, but as I said, the major events is still ahead. So particularly speaking, major retracement here or maybe upward breakout here. This also will be important. But still, if you would like to trade something here, you will find some clear patterns. Just for example, the one that I have mentioned. So let's see how this session will be over, and as usual in the weekend we will take a look at the broader picture and monthly, weekly chart and see what is going on there.